So in this module, we are going to look at the effect of religion or Islam on family. Family is a very important component of Islam. Keeping family intact, protected, is a significant requirement of Islam. Family does have responsibilities and rewards according to the Islamic Sharia. If we look at Quran, it mentions families in certain ayats, and we can look at it. For example, in Surah Al-Rum 21, it is said, "And among his signs is this, he created for you spouses for yourselves, that you might find rest in them, and he ordained between you love and mercy." And about children, Quran says, "Do not kill your children for the fear of poverty. It is we who provide sustenance for them, and you verily killing them is a most heinous crime." And enjoin prayers upon your family and be steadfast therein. And finally in Surah Tahrim, "O you who have believed, protect yourself and your families from fire." The family is mentioned regularly in Quran. In Hadith too, we see the importance of family. So one of these in Muslim says, "When a Muslim spends on his family seeking reward for it from Allah, it counts for him as charity." In Sunan Abu Dawud, there is another hadith which says, "It is enough sin for a man not to give food to the one whom he is supposed to feed." Then there is a story in about Holy Prophet, may peace be upon him, in Bukhari, which says that some Arab Bedouins came and they saw that the Holy Prophet is very compassionate with his grandchildren, and they said that they never kiss their children. And the Prophet said, "What can I do if your hearts have been stripped of compassion?" So compassion, love for family is enjoined in both Quran and Hadith. And finally, in another Hadith is, "The best of you is the best to his family, and I am the best amongst you to my family." As mother is the most important element in the family, she has been exalted in Islam. So there are many hadiths and ayahs about it. For example, Quran says, "With trouble did his mother bear him, and with trouble did he brought him forth, and the bearing of him and the weaning of him was 30 months. And in hadith, it is said that a companion once asked Holy Prophet, "Who deserves my good treatment most?" And for 3 times, Holy Prophet, may peace be upon him, said, "Your mother," and the 4th time he said, "Your father." Islam does give edge to men over women, and there are Quranic and hadiths about it, and this has been criticized in the Western world. Women groups in Muslim countries also have come to try to reinterpret these verses, and they have argued that men were given an edge on women because of the fact that they were the providers. Now that women are also working and providing, that edge has become decreased. So the importance of family in Islam is clear, and we can see that for a Muslim, family is going to be very important.